So we got the Ducati Scrambler on the lift behind us today in the design lab. While we're working on our light mounts, horn mounts, and vehicle-specific wiring adapters, we wanted to give you guys a quick wiring tutorial showing you how to install some of the most popular products on your Ducati Scrambler. So for this Scrambler, we looked at doing a couple different options for a vehicle-specific mount, but it turns out that our standard fork tube light mounts is the cleanest way to install a set of lights. So we got a pair of D2s bolted up, and now we're gonna show you how to wire them up. So with our D2s mounted up on the forks, we're gonna move to the back of the bike and show you guys how we've got this all wired up on our standard dual intensity wiring harness. So first, in the rear here, we've just removed the side panels and the undertail, and we've lifted the small plastic battery cover so we can get access to underneath everything. What you'll see that we've done is we were able to fit our dual intensity controller right here near the frame, and then we've routed the wires around the frame and back in under the tank so we can head towards the front of the bike. We then simply connect the ring terminals to the battery right here and start moving our way towards the front. The switch wire and the light extension wires are routed under the tank and alongside that frame member with all the rest of the wiring on the bike. And then up here you can see our 4-pin connector that is for our switch, and that also has our white trigger wire and our blue high beam trigger. So on this Ducati Scrambler, we're connected to the 6-pin headlight connector right here in the neck of the bike, and we connect our white trigger wire to their white low beam wire, and our blue high beam trigger is connected to their red high beam trigger. So then we've got our switch mounted up on the handlebars right there. And the last thing we need to do is just connect the lights to the light extensions, and we've got that fully installed for dual intensity functionality. So we'll go ahead and button up all the plastics and show you how that all looks. So here we are all wired up, and because we tapped our blue trigger wire to the Ducati's high beam circuit, these lights are now full dual intensity control, which means they're gonna go to full intensity when the bike goes from low beam to high beam. So thanks for tuning into the video, guys. If you have any questions, you can hit us up in the comments. And just a reminder that we will be putting links in our description for all of the factory wire colors and all of the products that we've shown you in this video.